Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So I'm going to do a tutorial for you guys. It's a Bantu knot method that I came up with. I'm not going to do it on my blown out hair. This blowout is about 2 weeks old and it's been raining the past couple days and it's just a frizzed mess and I'm so over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair and I'm going to come back to you and show you a step-by-step of how you will be able to achieve this new Bantu knot method that I have come up with. You're gonna see how much my hair shrinks, and it is just crazy how much my hair shrinks. But I came up with this method because the shrinkage that I get when I do Bantu knots, I just think it's just like ridiculous. And then they don't drop, right away, and I personally just don't like that. So this method will help you to retain some length while you still have that cute curly look of the Bantu knot. So stay tuned.
2 hours later.
I'm back. Here's my natural hair. Shrinkage and all. See the shrinkage I was talking about. I still love my hair though, but I do have my days. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair. I put no products in yet. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair into 4 sections. So straight down the middle. Crazy hair. So I'm gonna start in the back. So when I do this, I do not do it in small sections. So sections about this big. I'm gonna try a new product. I found a line that actually works for my hair. I've tried so many things: Cream of Nature, argan oil for natural hair, moisture rich hair butter. This is gonna be my first time using this. I normally use shea butter and then I'll like oil my scalp, but I'm gonna try this. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like pudding. Okay, I'm gonna take this much and see what it does for me. So you're gonna start off by braiding your hair. So I braid my hair halfway down, so I don't braid it all the way to the end. So I stop about here and I leave this much out. And then this end part, I Bantu knot. See, so half of it is braided and half of it will be the Bantu knot. So I hold it here and I Bantu knot. And then I take a rubber band and I put it on the end, just so it doesn't come out. So, like I said, it's braided halfway, and then the Bantu knot is on the end, as you can see there. I'll do a couple more for you guys. Take about this much. Moisturize the section. Especially the ends. halfway. Bantu knot the end. Rubber band. And there it is again. Halfway braided, bantu knot on the end. So I'm going to part my hair where I like my part now. And I'll take the rest of the hair and I'm gonna add it to this section. My hair hasn't bounced back all the way from it being blown out, but it will over time. Maybe like 1 or 2 more washes and then it'll be back. Halfway. Two more left. So you braid it halfway. Bantu knot the end. This is how bantu knot. So you see half of it is braided. And then bantu knot. Braided bantu knot. I'll do it one more time. Braid bantu knot. All right. So that's the bantu. So the way I take out my bantus, I'll unscrew them like I'm unscrewing a light bulb, and then I'll just like pull them down. So I know you noticed that when you take them out, the Bantu knots are sideways. That's okay. You're gonna see how great it comes out. But it happens. It's all of them. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna start in the back. You can just start by taking the braid out and then worry about separating them at the end. Alright, so they're all out. So this is what they look like before they get separated. I like how the Bantu knots, they start low already before I separate them. They normally would start up here if I just did the Bantu knot by itself. I'll do one for you now. So I'll just pull it apart. See? Alright, so I'm gonna do that all over. My part is still there. Alright, so I'm done. I took all the braided Bantu knots out. I separated them. I fluffed my hair using a wide tooth comb. See how springy and defined the Bantu knots are. There's little frizz, not much at all. It's bouncy. Just love it. I hope you all enjoy your results. Thank you for watching.